Hey there! In this video, we're going to create a quick walkable experience of your 3D scan or any 3D model without a single line of code. So let's dive in and get started. In this tutorial, I scanned a space using Polycam, an amazing app that uses LiDAR sensor on the 2020 iPhone Pro and iPad Pro. Once you have your scan ready or your 3D model, ensure it's in OBJ format. We're going to be using free tools such as Blender and Unity. Links to Blender and Unity are in the description below. Open Blender. Delete all the assets in the default scene. Import the OBJ file. Export it as a FBX file. Open Unity and create a new 3D project. Go to the asset store and search for first person. Scroll down until you see first person all in one. Import that into your scene. Navigate to the demo scene. Delete the 3D model in the demo scene. Drag and drop your FBX model into Unity. Ensure you're also importing the texture files that came with the OBJ file. Drag the FBX model into the scene. Click on the Game tab. Double-click on the first-person AIO to understand where it's in the scene. Move your FBX model closer to the camera. You can see the camera view in the game window. Position the camera to desired location. Feel free to change the height of the camera in the inspector window. Highlight the FBX model. Scroll down in the inspector window and click Add Component. Search for Mesh Collider. Click on the Play button. Use the arrow keys or WASD to walk around and move the mouse to orient yourself. Click on the play button again to stop the game preview. Feel free to add lights to enhance your scene. Now let's export the scene as a WebGL experience to share with your friends. Go to File, Build Settings, select WebGL and click on Switch Platform. Click on Build and Run. Name your experience. This will take a few minutes to export the scene. Once done, it will open the scene in a web browser. Use the arrow keys or WASD to navigate. Go back to Unity and right-click inside the asset window. Select Reveal in Finder. This is the folder that you need to host online to share with your friends. In this video, I'm going to host it on my free version of Netlify account. Click on Sites, drag and drop the folder here. I've included a link to my WebGL experience right below the like button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.